Guys, what's up? Shomodzi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna suggest the parts that I might pick for building a PC under the budget of $400. So without a further ado, let's just dive straight into the content. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead divide this video into three parts. In the first part I'll be giving the news, and in the second part I'll be providing the parts that I've picked for the $400 PC build, and in the third part I'll be providing the benchmarks for it. Okay, so let's start with the news. Intel's 9th gen processors are paper launched, which in other words means that we have it but you can't buy it. Intel paper launched it in a desperate attempt to catch up with AMD. Nvidia releases the new RTX series graphics card, which by the time I'm recording this video most of you know it already. AMD announces the new AMD Athlon 200 GE with Radeon Vega graphics, which will be a locked CPU unlike other AMD CPUs which are unlocked. It can handle most games with a decent rate of 60 FPS, but with only Fortnite dropping at 49 FPS. Intel is getting into the graphics card market and will be competing with AMD. They still now have released a short teaser for their upcoming graphics card, which will hit the market by 2020. Google finally announces an official Pixel 3 release date, which is on October 9th, 2018. With the news covered, let's get into the $400 PC build. Okay, so let's start with the CPU, shall we? For the CPU, we are going with Ryzen 3 2200G, which costs around $98. For the motherboard, we are going with Asus B450MA, which costs around $79. It has 3 PCIe slots and 4 DDR4 RAM slots. And talking about the RAM, for the RAM we have picked Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB, which costs around $72. For mass storage, we are going with WD's 1TB hard drive, which costs around $44. For the case, we are going with Cooler Masters Masterbox Lite 3.1, which also costs around $42. Power will be supplied by EVGA's 500-watt power supply, which costs around $42, which makes a total of $377, just below $400.